Yeah, hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technology. So today 10th of Jan, we are going to be discussed regarding the job openings on performance testing. So this is the first job opening here. So they are looking for the test lead, performance testing lead, and notice period would be 20 days. They are offering here, and they are mainly looking for JMeter tool. Who have experience in JMeter tool, they can apply here. Yeah, they didn't given any mail details. You can yeah, they have given the WhatsApp number here, so you can interested candidates can apply to this job like by sending your resume to this particular WhatsApp number. Coming to next job opportunity, like they're expecting 10 years of experience in performance testing or performance in engineering, and position would be performance testing lead with Infosys company. So they are expecting end-to-end performance testing activities like POC, NFR, workload model, test plan, script and enhancement, execution, analysis, up to client recommendation. And these are the major skills they are expecting for. And this is the description. You can go through this description and you can apply to through this link, or you can directly send your resumes to this particular person, Sriram. So interested candidates can apply to this job. Coming to next job opportunity, looking for performance test engineers with 5 years of experience, and the experience can like and 3 years of experience in load runner. And if you have 3 years of experience in load runner, directly you can apply through this link here. They are given here. So coming to the next job opportunity, they are looking for senior performance test engineer, and experience would be 5 to 7 years of experience they are looking for, and must have experience in JMeter. They are looking mainly for who the candidates who have JMeter experience. They can apply to this job. They are applicable for this job, and work location would be Chennai location. These are the main description, like main skills the candidate should have: experience in JMeter scripting, parameterization, and correlation, experience with Blaze Meter or similar testing tools, full knowledge on performance testing life cycle as we have discussed, POC to client recommendation, and experience in preparing test plans, strategies, reports, presentation skills to stakeholders. So these are the major skills they are looking for. If you have these skills, you can directly send your resumes to vidya.mudaliar at intellectdesign.com. So you can directly send your resume there to this particular mail ID. So coming to the next job opportunity. So next job opportunity is like Techie Geeks is the company. They are looking for performance tester, and role would be also performance testing role. And location is Hyderabad location they are offering for. And experience is 4 to 9 years of experience they are looking for here. And if you have 4 to 9 years of experience, you can apply to this job. The candidate should have like a notice period would be immediate joinery or 15 days notice period they are giving. And this is the link to send your resumes here. If you are interested, or if you have these skills, you can like skills they have given: performance testing, JMeter, JSON, bench shell scripting. So if you have these skills, so you can directly apply to this job by sending your resume to this particular mail ID. So coming to the next job opportunity, C2H, contract to hire with a MNC company, and location would be Hyderabad and Pune they are offering for. And experience they are expecting is 5 years of experience they are expecting here. These are the performance, like these are the major skills they are looking for, like performance testing, load runner, dynatrace, blaze meter, J meter, open to work, hiring. These are the major skills, and if you have these skills, you can directly send your resume to Keshav. It's procinfotech.com. Yeah, coming to the next job opportunity, like job title would be functional and performance testers. So who has like functional performance testing candidates can applicable for this job. Location would be Nacharam, Hyderabad, and experience they are expecting is 5 to 7 years of experience they are expecting here. This is the job description. So they are seeking like experienced functional and performance testers have strong background in software testing and hands-on experience on both functional and performance testing of applications. They need both the performance testing and functional testers. So who have skills on functional and performance testing can be applicable for this job. These are the major responsibilities. So you can go through these responsibilities, and qualifications would be 5 to 7 years of software testing, working with software testing, and both functional and performance testing as discussed. the like strong skills in any testing tools like Veda, Selenium, Load Runner, JMeter. These are all the major tools they are looking for. So if you have experience in these tools like JMeter and Load Runner, you can apply to this job. They have given the HR details directly, so you can directly mail to this particular mail ID. You can send your resumes if you are interested. Yeah, that's all for today's topic. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe our channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. Thank you.